The employment of a quantum device has resulted in a significant deceleration of chemical reactions, slowing them down by an astounding 100 billion times. A remarkable achievement has been attained by researchers at the University of Sydney. A critical chemical reaction process was directly observed by them with the use of a quantum computer. This was accomplished by slowing down the process a staggering 100 billion times. Vanessa Olaya Agudelo, a PhD student and co-lead researcher, explains that comprehending the fundamental mechanisms that occur within and between molecules is the key to unlocking a plethora of opportunities in various fields, such as materials, science, drug development, and solar energy collection. The potential benefits of this technology extend beyond its primary applications. It has the potential to enhance other processes that depend on the interaction between molecules and light. For instance, the creation of smog and the degradation of the ozone layer could be better understood and addressed with the aid of this technology. The team of researchers observed a solitary atoms interference pattern that resulted from a geometric structure in chemistry known as a conical intersection. Chemists are familiar with conical intersections, which play a crucial role in prompt photochemical reactions, including the absorption of light in human vision and the photosynthesis process. Since the 1950s, chemists have been attempting to witness geometric processes in chemical dynamics firsthand. However, due to the incredibly rapid timescales involved, it is not practically possible to observe them directly. In order to circumvent this issue, scientists specializing in quantum mechanics from both the School of Physics and the School of Chemistry devised an innovative experiment that utilized a trapped ion quantum computer in an unprecedented manner. As a result, they were able to convert and plot this extremely intricate problem onto a relatively diminutive quantum device, which was then subsequently decelerated by a factor of 100 billion. The publication date for the research findings of the scientists was August 28th, which can be found in the pages of the academic journal Nature Chemistry. Ms. Olaya Agudelo from the School of Chemistry explains that in the natural world, the complete process occurs within femtoseconds. This means that it occurs in 1/400,000th of a second or a billionth of a millionth of a second. Our quantum computer enabled us to create a mechanism that decelerated chemical dynamics from femtoseconds to milliseconds, thereby facilitating the acquisition of significant measurements and observations. Never in the past has such a feat been accomplished. According to Dr. Christophe Valahou, the co-author of this study from the School of Physics, the observation of the geometric phase has been impossible until now. This is due to its rapid occurrence, which has made it impossible to experimentally probe its dynamics. The issue at hand has been tackled through the utilization of quantum technologies. According to Dr. Valahou, the process is comparable to replicating the flow of air surrounding an aircraft wing within a wind tunnel simulation. According to him, our experiment was not a digital simulation, but rather a first-hand analog observation of the quantum dynamics as they occurred at a pace that we could monitor. During photochemical reactions, such as the process of photosynthesis, which enables plants to derive their energy from the sun, molecules transfer energy at an incredibly rapid pace. This results in the formation of exchange zones called conical intersections. Through the use of this study, the dynamics of the quantum computer were intentionally decelerated, allowing for the long-awaited identification of recognizable hallmarks that were predicted but never before observed in relation to conical intersections in photochemistry. Associate Professor Ivan Casal, the leader of the research team and co-author of the study from the University of Sydney Nano Institute and the School of Chemistry, expressed enthusiasm towards these findings, stating that they will greatly enhance comprehension of ultra-fast dynamics and how molecules transform during the most rapid timescales. The University of Sydney is extremely fortunate to have access to the most exceptional programmable quantum computer in the country for carrying out these experiments. The experiment was performed using a quantum computer located in Professor Michael Bierkock's Quantum Control Laboratory. QCTR, a quantum startup, was founded by the professor. Dr. Ting Ray Tan led the experimental endeavor. According to Dr. Tan, one of the authors of the research, the collaboration between chemistry theorists and experimental quantum physicists is commendable. The team is utilizing a fresh perspective in physics to address a persistent issue in chemistry. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.